Hi guys, this is the last episode where we'll be covering the first category of the PCEP exam, which is basic concepts. The topics we're talking about today are numerical operators, string operators, assignments, and shortcuts. Let's get started. So let's talk about the numerical operations. So of course, there are your basic ones like plus, minus, division, which is just a slash, and times, which is just an asterisk. And then we have the different ones like floor division. This will give no decimals, so if the answer, let's say, is 2.5, it'll only display 2. So that's 2 slashes. That's floor division. Then we have the modulus, which is the percentage sign, which gives the remainder of the equation. So let's say 3 divided by 2, that would be 2 with a remainder of 1, so it'll only display 1. Alright, and then we have the exponents. So let's say 2 to the power of 2 is 2 times 2 is 4. If it's to the power of 3, then 2 times 2 times 2, that would be 8. So that's the basic numerical operations. You can use these when you declare a variable. So let's say I equals 1, and then now we can do, let's say, print I plus 1, let's do that. That would be 2, and then let's say times 3, and that would be 3, right? And then let's say divide. This would give decimals. When we do floor division, it'll only give the number without decimals. And then when we do exponents, which is 2 asterisks, it'll give out 1, because 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. But let's try another number, let's say 2. That'll be 8. So that's the numerical operations, and you can also use these in strings as the times and the addition. So I say print, let's say I love burgers, and you can use a plus to add another string, and fries. Don't forget the space, and then it'll say I love burgers and fries. It linked these two strings together. When we use the times, it'll duplicate the string multiple times. Let's say we want to duplicate it 10 times. I love burgers, I love burgers, I love burgers, I love burgers. It made it 10 times more. Alright? And now we'll talk about assignments and shortcuts. Assignments are basically just you make your own variables. So let's say I equals 1. But shortcuts are, let's say you want to do I equals I plus 1, right? But you can use a shortcut for this, which is adding your sign before the equals. So plus equals 1. That's all you have to do. You can also use division, of course multiplication, basically any other numerical operator that you want, as long as it's before the equals. That's it for this video. Next week, we're going to be talking about the second category of the PCEP test. I hope you enjoyed and stay curious.